Hey, y'all, you might be able to guess the way I'm dressed today that my mind is thinking about St. Patrick's Day. And the recipe I'm going to share today with y'all is a chocolate stout cake. And it has the Irish beer in it. So, it's the Irish beer. But before I do that, I want to share with y'all this most beautiful gift that someone sent me. Did it come today, Eddie, or yesterday?
It came in the mail. Teresa brought it with her.
It came into our P.O. box.
Oh, good, good. Well, this is one of the most beautiful handmade gifts. And I treasure so many. Y'all send me these beautiful handmade things that you have put your time and your love in. And this is from Sylvia Murphy. And Sylvia lives in Ellisville, Mississippi. And she said, "Dear Miss Paula Deen, this is a little gift for you when you're cooking something good with your husband and your boys. Hope you enjoy it. Please let me know that you got it, and you can email my son at Vern Murphy. Or please call me." She gave me her phone number, so I am going to call her. And I can't tell, Sylvia, if this is cross stitch. I used to do a lot of cross stitch, but this is so beautiful. And I'm going to treasure these aprons. Did she sign them? She didn't sign them, did she?
No, I don't see it.
I wish she had signed them with her cross stitch, but
they have a vintage feel to them.
they have such a vintage feel to them. And Sylvia, I can't tell you how much I appreciate that you reminded me and everybody out there that I'm sharing this with that, yes, Jesus does love us. And he loves all of our little critters that he created. And on this one, it's all the fruits that we love to eat. Makes me want to make some grape jelly. Or it makes me want to make a pear cobbler. I thank you so much, Sylvia. And I will be getting in touch with you. So, I don't know if I want to wear that making this recipe or not. Because I don't want to get chocolate on it. Those are too beautiful. I'm going to hang those up, though, somewhere in here where I can look at them every day. So let's move on with our chocolate stout cake. And our first step is to melt our chocolate. We're using a semi-sweet, nor is it a bittersweet, Teresa? I can't remember. A semi-sweet and a stick of butter. So we're going to melt all this. And it's got to cool completely. And we're going to be cooking this in a 9-inch springform pan, like we would if we were doing a cheesecake. So this is completely melting. And so I'm going to let it cool. And I guess I need to add the beer, don't I? We got to get the stout in there. Got to get the stout. That'll help cool it down a little bit faster. Now, I took a piece of parchment paper, y'all. You can see right there. And I cut out a ring. Woo!
You want me to stick it outside for a second?
Hot as fire, yes.
Because it's not hot as fire outside.
I know. Ooh, it's hot.
How do you do that? I'll do this.
Whoa. All right. So to get our cake going, we're going to add our eggs. And that's 2, 4, 6 eggs. Whoa. I think Teresa just went outside. You think, Eddie? Or you think she's mad at us?
That door closes pretty quickly.
And the wind. Yeah, she just said, I'll tell you what's going to get the wind. All right. So we got our eggs and our sugar. And we're going to beat this until it's like a pale yellow. And we're going to do that for 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna just temper this chocolate. But this is completely cool, so I don't have to worry about that chocolate making scrambled eggs. I'm just going to fold that in. And now I'm going to take the rest of it and fold it. You know, Bobby, this has no flour in it, you know?
Wow.
Butter. Sugar, butter, eggs, chocolate.
Butter, sugar, and beer, but no flour.
Yeah, no flour. No flour for us.
Completely healthy. What the hell no?
Yes, if you are
into that sort of thing.
Yeah. All right, now I'm just going to try to fold this in. And then we're going to pour it in a springform pan. So if y'all ever go on Facebook, I was so proud of Bobby. He called the other day and said, Mama, I had the nicest surprise today. Had no idea that it was coming. But, you know, Bobby loves his jiu-jitsu. And he was promoted the other day to a brown belt. And the next belt is the black belt. I mean, he is almost there, y'all. And Bobby said, Mama, I'm so proud that I actually have carried this thing all the way through, that I completed something.
I haven't. I have not. Don't say that yet.
Yeah, but you're going to. So anyway, I had a surprise for him by putting a picture on Facebook of him in his outfit with his brown belt. Okay. This tastes good. Not even any vanilla flavoring or anything. So I sprayed my pan and then I put my piece of parchment paper down. And this is going to have to cook for a while, y'all. There you are, Bobby. I was talking to you, but now I can't remember what I was asking you. Oh, I know what I was asking you.
Yeah.
Do you think any of your children will take up your sport?
Well, they're doing it right now, whether they like it or not.
Well, I know Amelia
Because I wrestle them every day.
I know that I watch you in Linton, but I think Olivia would be a great contender.
I think she'd be good.
That's sport.
I don't know,
She
Mom.
would be real good.
You know, I started really, really late in life. I went to that, and it was because I was looking for something and needed something, and I found it there with those people in that place, and you know, everybody's so different. Who knows what my children will be into? I know that Linton he was born an artist. He is an artist. That kid is. It's just you can see it
He would
plain as
sleep
day.
with a pencil in his hand.
And the two girls were, you know, we'll see. As long as they're good people, I'm happy.
That's right.
But and speaking of being good people, they went to no, it's got that beer in it and stuff. I don't drink anymore. I don't.
Oh, okay.
I
didn't think about that.
Yeah,
It's not but a fourth of a cup. Though.
How about 0 would be best for me?
That's good.
Speaking of them being good people, they went to the beach today with their school on a little outing, and they're picking up trash on the beach all day long. That's perfect.
Yeah.
They're picking up. Pick it up.
That's great.
I don't want to pick up trash. Pick it
That's a
up.
great lesson, though, for them to learn.
They go to the beach a lot, don't they? With their
They
school?
do.
On
Sometimes
their
go to the
field
beach.
trips.
Yeah, they're out there saving the sea turtles is what they're doing. The turtles are nesting and laying their egg.
They're 55 minutes.
Yes.
55.
At 3:50.
Yes, 55 minutes. At 3:50. All right, here's our stout cake, y'all. Hard to believe there's not a speck of flour in it. So, I mean, it's not something that you would call a gorgeous cake. I don't know. If you like chocolate, it's pretty gorgeous. But Father John is come by for a visit, and he's fixing to go home. And I can't let him leave without a piece of stout cake. And I know I should let this cool some. But time waits on no man, right, Father John?
Maybe when you're baking, I make it look.
This stout cake is a little bit fragile and being nice and hot.
Define a stout cake for me.
Well, it's what's in it. This is kind of an ode to St. Patrick's Day. And we put stout beer.
That's Guinness.
Yeah, Guinness.
Guinness.
All right, I'm trying to, and I put parchment paper in there. So if you feel like you're chewing on paper, spit the paper out, okay? Because I can't tell what I'm picking up. I'm going to put those little crumbs in there too for you. If you like chocolate, this is like, it's real dense and real chocolatey for you chocolate lovers. Okay, I didn't get any paper with that one, I don't think. How much do you like chocolate, Father John?
Oh,
From one to 0.
unlimited.
Uh-oh.
Sure. We'll give her 10 plus.
Okay, well, you're going to get 3 pieces then.
Right.
Let it cool. But this is to Father John from the Paula Deen kitchen, sending a whole lot of love to him. So there you go.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Looks
I'll
pretty good.
think of you often as I'm chowing down.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.